What's up, guys? Tad Bowditch here. I just want to show you a way to get a YouTube banner done professionally cheap. Some of you, there's ways to do it for yourself online. There's a bunch of do-it-yourself videos. I've looked at some, but I personally don't have time, and some of you out there don't have the time to get this done. Um, how you want it done. I mess around with it myself. But I'm just a busy person, and for you busy people, there's ways you can find this to get done fast. So what I did is you go to fiverr.com and you can search YouTube banner. And what I do is I just went through a bunch of these different graphic artists that are out here. For example, this one here, I always look at the seller rating, check out the reviews. You can also check the different banners they've done. Like this person looks like they've done pretty good, pretty cool ones. I just go through all the other stuff. Let's see more. A lot of times I look for see if I can find some reviews. I'll click on their reviews here, and I just look at the reviews and see how people say what they say about the seller. When you look at the job, let's say right here, there's different ones, but you always want to look for revisions unlimited, because they may make like one or two, and if you don't like it, if they may have like 2 or 3 revisions, and you still might not come up with something that you like. So I would always look for ones with YouTube, or the ones that have the unlimited revisions. A lot of these graphic designers do other things besides like YouTube banners. They do Facebook banners and stuff like that. I actually had mine done. This guy did my banner for my channel. It wasn't the guy that I'm clicking on, but this is just a sample of what the guy did for me. He actually, oops, sorry about that. He actually did a logo for me too. But I just want to show you guys a way where you can get some of this stuff done really quick, fast, and looks professional. These guys are hard workers. They want to make money too, and they're experienced at something that you may not be experienced in, like I'm not experienced in. But I will leave a link in the description on where you can go to find stuff like this. Also, I'll leave a link to one of the videos that I actually found that was a really good tutorial, but I'm not experienced in this market, so I actually wanted to find someone who is, so I can get a more professional banner. Well, that's it, guys. It's Tad Bowditch here, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.